Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening the DVR interface, plug in the monitor and mouse, or point your browser to the DVR IP. Log in with the admin account now. If you don't know it, check the unit label or manual for defaults. Once logged in, make sure firmware is stable. Avoid changing passwords during updates. If you reach a login screen with multiple users, select the admin user and enter the current password carefully, because 3 failed attempts can lock the account temporarily. Once done, find the System, Maintenance, or Security menu. Every DVR labels it slightly differently, so look for Account or User Management. Select the admin user and choose Change Password. Enter the current password when prompted so the device can verify your identity. Now type the new password twice to confirm. Make it strong, uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols, at least 8 characters. After you save, the DVR may prompt for re-login. Follow that step to verify that you finish by logging out and logging back in with the new password to verify it works. This ensures cameras and recording services continue without interruption. If you are locked out, try default credentials or perform a soft reboot. If that fails, use the manufacturer's hardware reset procedure, but note this may reset settings. Once access is restored, set a unique admin password and store it securely. If problems persist, contact support with your model and firmware version for guided recovery.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.